Want to say something?
So here we are at Linn Falls, and yeah, apart from the strange smell, it's very beautiful here. Look at the green in the trees and the beautiful light coming through the trees. The sun is coming through and the water sounds fabulous. It looks also very clean, although something is a bit smelly. I don't know what that is. And next time we come here, it'll be a lot better, maybe. Yeah.
After a bit of rain.
After a bit of rain to fill it up. I'm not sure about the swimming possibility, but I guess it is possible to jump into the basin here just in front of the waterfall. I was hoping for somewhere like a ledge to stand on to actually get under the waterfall, but that doesn't seem to be there. Or maybe it's underneath the water and I'm not seeing it at the moment. But anyway, this is a nice, beautiful place, and the walk up here is also spectacular. And as you can see, if Diana pans the camera around, the trees behind are pretty spectacular too. So yeah, it's a good place, beautiful. And another great example of Scottish nature.